How to make $100 daily by investing on Bybit as a passive income. If you want to make $100 daily through passive income on Bybit, it requires a combination of strategies and a significant investment. And here are a few options. First is via Bybit Savings. Invest in the flexible or fixed term savings products to earn interest on your crypto holdings. Liquidity Mining. Provide liquidity to certain trading pairs and earn a portion of the trading fees as rewards. Launch Pool. Stake tokens to earn new tokens from upcoming projects. Dual Asset Mining. Earn high APYs by depositing 2 crypto assets and gaining exposure to potential price increases. However, it's crucial to note market volatility. Crypto markets are highly volatile and your returns are not guaranteed. Required investment. To earn $100 daily, you'll likely need a substantial investment, potentially tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the interest rates and yields available. Research. Thoroughly research each option to understand the risk involved and choose the strategies that best align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. So I hope that this video helped you understand as to how you can make $100 daily by investing on Bybit as a passive income. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.